Good morning, everyone. It is February 9th. Welcome to the Mortgage Market Advisor, your residential mortgage market and news. Let's get started. We have a lot of information coming out today. Bonds opened high and are currently trading at about $102.72. This is significant because it's the best they've traded since February of 2015, even though there was no major news today. As we can take a look here, and this is really a very defined channel that we're trading in ever since mid to late December. And you can see how we're just going up and up and up. This, we got to watch out for some profit taking though. Profit taking is similar to stocks. Investors trade bonds a lot the same way. And so you've probably heard that saying, buy low and sell high when it comes to a stock. Well, it also works with bonds. So investors that have purchased low, they may be looking at bonds right now saying, we might be able to sell these off and take some money and run and let those bonds fall off and reinvest in the market. If that happens, the theoretical line at which we would probably find new support is about $101.30. To quantify that, that's almost $1.50. That means if the investors do decide to sell off, that could impact your mortgage that you're getting by 1.5 points. So if you're getting a $400,000 mortgage, that would be as much as a $6,000 difference in your pricing for the rate that you select. So kind of a big deal. So we got to keep a watch out. We also got to keep a watch out on Yellen coming out Wednesday through Thursday. That could have a major impact, and it has always had some kind of impact on the bond market. Globally, the bond though, what is helping us, globally the bond yield is really low. That's pushing a lot of investors to the United States and investing in mortgage-backed securities. If we take a look at probably the two biggest economies that are struggling with their bond yields, it would be Japan and Germany. So to quantify, where are we at based from December 30th? We're approximately 2 points better. So if you're gonna, again, if you were getting quotes to get a mortgage in December and to get the rate that you really wanted, you were gonna have to pay 2 points for. Now, you should be able to get that rate for probably no points or pretty close to it. So pretty big deal what we're seeing in the market right now. Analyst outlook and news. Neil changes to a long position on short and long term. And Dan's tone is still going back to a bullish position. So what we have here is we have both analysts agree that bonds will continue to improve. I'm just saying let's be careful. Let's be careful of some profit taking and keep our eye on the market. Also wanted to note that there's new guidelines that were released today that's making tax transcript requirements easier on FHA, VA, and conventional loans. So if you know somebody getting a mortgage and they're having a rough time because they just filed their taxes and the lender isn't really cooperating with them, there are new guidelines that were recently released, and you can contact me if you'd like more information. My information is above, and before you go, be sure to like this video. That would be really, really helpful. That's why we do it. We want it to be liked, and if you didn't like it or you have suggestions, there's a comments box below. Leave some comments for us. We'd love to hear from you. And if it's your first time on the channel, please subscribe. You can always unsubscribe, but it doesn't hurt to subscribe. That'll keep you updated as mortgage news and interest rate news rolls out. Anyway, take care, guys.